Hello, I'm Shalin Fernando. I studied at Lyceum International School, Pandura. I joined IJSC for the Direct Entry Program Batch 2. I've been working in the industry for over 2 years in so many local and foreign platforms. So I've been working in so many mass platforms such as ERP solutions, e-commerce platforms, and mass communication platforms, and so much so. For me to go on this with this technology, with this architecture, and with all these platforms, depth was the life-changing factor that made me up here. So when I joined IJSC, I was nothing. I didn't know much about programming. I didn't know all about this architecturing stuff. But depth made me who I'm here today. The Direct Entry program is a place that will give you the best to outfit in the industry. So it will teach you the most advanced, most updated technologies and all architectures that will help you to stay out in the industry. So if you want to be a game changer in the industry, learning all these architectures, learning all these platforms, technologies, depth is the most recommended place for you.